Okay, student, I hope you all learn words of the series. I have planned very interesting activity for you. Firstly, I'll tell you about this activity. Okay, look at there. Here are words of the series and these are pictures. Firstly, we take picture from there and then we find word according picture. Okay, I hope you enjoy this activity. Okay, look at there. Which picture is this? This is a picture of 3. Okay, now we find word 3 from there. Tha in thin, tha on thon, tha ik thick, tham thum, thar e 3. Yes, this is 3. Okay, we find 3. Okay, look at there. Which picture is this? Thumb. Tell me spelling of thumb. 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 Okay, now find from there. This is thin. This is thon. This is thumb. Okay. Thumb. Thumb. Okay, which picture is this? Thin. Thin. Where is thin? Yes, this is thin. So paste thin here. Thin. Okay, which picture is this? Thorn. This is a picture of thorn. Now we find out thorn from there. This is thorn. No. Yes, this is thorn. Thorn. Okay, what is this? This is tree and this is thick. Okay, now we find thick. Yes, this is thick. Thick. Okay, I hope you enjoy this activity.